Good morning, friends. I'm Sandeep Kumar from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Whoever is watching first time, let me tell you, I'm Indian Navy retired and presently working in government department. So today I'm discussing about Indian Army Agniveer examination, which was conducted on 30th of June. It is general duty. Whoever has completed 10th standard, they can write. So I'm just discussing the paper shift 2. It is already discussed shift 1 paper. If you want all these printouts along with the previous year question papers, as you can see behind, these are all books which was compiled. This is Indian Army General Duty as well as Tradesman. It is common for every exams of technical also. All previous question papers, including the solved question papers. As you can see, all these papers have been handwritten mathematics. Rest all took the printout. You can just see how exactly I had solved with shortcuts. So, and we have some small book for the practice and technical related public whoever is there, and we have various books with the color print. Let me tell you, this all-in-one is the one which has got full of pictures. These books are prepared by me. So it has been like for the last 5 years I've been putting up all the previous year paper. This is Coast Guard related. We have Navy, we have CISF related, and we have Navy MR related, and we have various books like SSC and Indian Navy, tradesman related, and railway police force, and the grammar. These are all colorful printouts, let me tell you. So general knowledge, general science, English grammar, one word substitutions, whoever is preparing for Army Cadet College also, I am giving the content. So just go through my playlist, you will find a lot of stuff. So let us jump into the shift to question papers. So initially we have general knowledge and general science. Kathak dance, we know, which is originated from the Uttar Pradesh, from the northern India. And we have Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. You should know BR means Bhimrao Ambedkar Wildlife Sanctuary, which is located in Madhya Pradesh. So that was the question which were asked. These are the original questions have been compiled from various YouTube channels. Though they have discussed in Hindi, it is difficult for you to understand each and every question. I have translated and made it for your own easy purpose. The headquarters of Indian Navy, Western Naval Command. So now they are asking more about the Navy, Air Force, and Army. So you should know about the different headquarters of the different localities of various forces. So here we have headquarters. Mumbai is the one where I have worked in Western Naval Command, so it is very familiar to me. Himalayas are classified as young and fold mountains, so they are the part of larger alpine mountain system. So all these questions have been given, and these questions have been very important. Two or three questions you will get as a current affairs questions which will confuse you. No worry, if you have a good grip on mathematics as well as reasoning, all those three questions which doesn't impact you, but you have to make strong in mathematics shortcuts and reasoning. That makes you more in scoring everything. So don't worry about those current affairs questions. You worry about static GK, how much I can gain, and in mathematics as well as reasoning. So now let us discuss to fifth question. Indian Navy, which safeguards the coastal region of the India and maritime interests. Rani Lakshmi Bai is the one who has led the revolt from Jhansi. We know Indian revolt, which was started in 1857. Mangal Pandey was the first person who has raised the voice, and he had hanged. Then it started from Jhansi. Lakshmi Bai was the one. Diya Salai. It's a book. It's an autobiography of Kailash Satyarthi. I want you guys to comment me who is Kailash Satyarthi. He has got a prize also. So I want you guys to write in comment section. Hindustani classical music. So here, northern India, Pakistan and Bangladesh, this normally we'll find it in northern India, this classical music. That is a question they had asked. The article 60 deals with the oath and affirmation taken by the President of India. They are asking about articles also. You have to be smart enough in understanding the articles. Gond tribe is found in the central and eastern part of the Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. So they have given the options in such a manner. Gond tribe is located in which place? So A, B, C, D they have given one thing, D, which is not necessary. Now we have the ABC. Indian Air Force has different aircraft. Among them, we can tell the backbone of Indian Air Force is MiG-21 and followed by the Sukhoi and Rafale and Tejas. So LCA means light combat aircraft. So here every force has got some backbones. Example, in Navy also we can see we have a backbone aircraft carriers like that. So for every force there are some important major role you can tell. The controller and auditor general, as you can see, he is the Supreme Audit Institution of India as per the article 148, who have the audit of all the institutions. The sun has the 7 colors. Normally VIBGR we call it as. You can see how exactly it has been split: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. We know about breathing process. Inspiration is the process of taking air into the lungs as part of breathing cycle. So whenever you breathe, we inhale, we exhale. This process is called inspiration process. The lack of insulin causes diabetes mellitus as well as diabetes insipidus. As you can see here, insulin is produced by the pancreas. When the pancreas functions inappropriate, then you will have the less production of insulin. So when you have a less production, obviously your body will have the sugar level will be increased in your human body. Once the human body increases the sugar level, then it is very difficult to heal any kind of wounds. So better jump into insulin level should be nominal. So you have to care your pancreas. Now we want food is produced from the plants by the photosynthesis process. With this you can see how exactly the food is prepared from the sun in the presence of carbon dioxide. So I want you guys to comment me what comes out of the photosynthesis along with the oxygen. Shah Rukh Khan is the first Indian actor male from Bollywood who the debut at the Met Gala event in 2025, he had made a history by entering into that. Stomata, we know about that. Microscopic pores on the plant leaf surface. We can see the gas exchange, carbon dioxide it takes, oxygen gets released. This is called, as we inhale oxygen, exhale carbon dioxide, that is inspiration process. The same vice versa happens in the plants. So now this transpiration, whatever is happening, so as you can see, water vapor losses, allowing plants breathe and manage water balance. So these are the stomata, which are the small microscopic pores on the plant leaf. Now we have Siddhartha Gautama, who is also known as Lord Buddha, the Enlightened One. He born in 623 BC in the garden named as Lumbini Garden. You should know about this. It is located in Gaya. The parliament has been divided into three parts. You should know about the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and the president. So we have Lok Sabha with a great number, that is House of the People. And I want you guys to comment me how many members are there in Lok Sabha. When it comes to Rajya Sabha, we have a Council of States. The Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is located on the river Krishna. It is in Andhra Pradesh. The CM of Assam has been asked. Himantas Biswa Sharma. These are all current affairs. All these dams and all, everything is there in the. So that is the reason why I recommend this book. The book and the red book and the content prepared by me, General Knowledge and General Science, it has been given to you. So it cost near about 1400 rupees including postal charges. Because my content is colorful, so that is the reason I do not compromise on the money. Now we have the first Nobel Prize on December 10, 1901. It has started. Primary coal producing states, Odisha, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand are the places where you can see. Now we have something called Rajghat. It's the memorial of Mahatma Gandhi. His memorial is located in which place? I want you guys to comment me in the section. Beijing, previously Peking, we call it as the capital of China, we can tell. So these are all questions which has been retyped in English. So don't underestimate this content. It is one of the finest content I am giving you. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has made Tejas, one of the good competitive 4.5 generation fighter jet. Normally red litmus paper turns into blue when it is tested with the base, that is alkaline solution. I want you guys to comment me when I put acid, it turns into what? Just comment me in the section. If you want all this playlist, just have a look into playlist. I'll upload all this previous year thing in a segregated manner. Just have a look. Acetic acid, you know about that. It is found in vinegar. Formic acid, when the ant stings, you'll have a red color formation. That is because of formic acid, which is also known as methanoic acid. The ant name is Formica. Lactic acid normally will find in curd. Lactobacillus bacterium will be there in milk that converts milk to the curd. pH means potential of hydrogen, the minimum, that is 0, you will find in HCl. I want you guys to comment me. Stomach acid is what? What is the pH value of stomach acid? Madam Bikaji Kama, she is the first person to hoist the national flag in foreign soil in Germany on 22nd of August 1907 at the International Socialist Congress, the place where she had hoisted. Now, Atacama Desert has been asked. It is located in northern Chile, that is southern America. We have some mathematics and reasoning questions. I'll just explain to you. In a row, 17 kids are there. Among them, Ram is the 7th person from the right. So from the right, he's just write down 17 dots, and then from right he is 7th. So from the left, what is the position he is asking? Something simple. 17 minus 7 plus 1. When you make it, it will get the answer. It is very easy question. 60% of a number has been given, that is 152. Find the 30% of the number. If it is 60%, 152, then you make it 100%, you find out. Then among that, you can directly 30%, you can easily find out. That is what, once you purchase the books, once you practice, it will become very easy for you. Hate JAYR has been coded, then find out PAY. If AKX is written as FPC, then what is PRT? These are all small questions. If you feel that are difficult for us to understand, comment me in the section whether you have a books or not. If you have a books, it's very good. You don't ask. If you don't have a books, better take the books. You will get the solutions A to Z. You can do it. Average of 2 or 4 is 3. 2 and 4 actually, that is 6 by 2 is 3. The ratio of 930 grams into is to 31 kg. You can directly make it out. A man traveled 270 kilometers in 5 hours. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance upon time, it is easy to find out. Value as per the BODMAS, you can, it's not BODMAS, it is related to inversion of the signs. So answer will become 19. LCM that asks 347. One ball has got bag has got 2 balls and each has 10 grams and 20 grams. Then find the average weight of them. So it is very easy. So they have asked 23 into 4 division 2 minus 28. It's a BODMAS related. Men and work related question. M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. Solo man means single man. 12 rows has 12 trees. It means 12 into 2, 12, 144. Which is not a square root number. Here 56, root 56 is not the square root. Rest all you will find 21, 49 is 7 and 144 is 12. PTR by 100 related formula. 60% of 500 that asked. 25% of 204 kgs. Length is to breadth. Their ratio 600 to 80. That is, you will find the answer. So 90% of the amount 89,300 is been spent. Then find the savings. So that is, you have to find out this 10% of this, that is 8930. So exactly has been given. So you can just go to, these are the 2 books what I had shown. So you will get it, these 2 books. Don't underestimate these books. These are the finest content I have given for you. So it's prepared by me. As you can see, I am Indian Navy retired. So whatever the question papers I am discussing, they are original. Whatever the previous question papers also has been given. If you want, call me on 766730 I am here for you to help and guide throughout your success. So if you have any kind of doubts, comment me in the section. I am there for you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life. If you feel good about this YouTube channel, please share it to your friends. If you have any doubts, WhatsApp me 766730 I'll share the maximum content to you, with which you will have a clarity about your preparation. Thank you. Namaste.